watch from the shadows, your world far from mine. Father's heart aching, in the distance I find, but I see him beside you, hands steady and strong. In his quiet you laugh, like a sweet summer song. Your eyes are shining, brighter than the day, and I know in my absence, you're safe in his way. Though I can't be there, oh how I wish I could. He's doing what I would, and that feels so good. You shine and I see his heart in your face. Every smile you wear is a love I can't replace. Though I'm not beside you, his love makes it clear. In your eyes I see the man who keeps you near. And from afar I'll bless you both tonight. May the Lord guard your hearts and love's pure light. Like the stars in the sky, you're reflecting his grace. Every moment together leaves a mark I can trace. I'll raise up a prayer, though you're miles away, and whisper the blessings I wish I could say. His hands hold your heart with care and with peace. A love that won't falter, a love that won't cease. In your joy it tells me what words never could. He's loving you like a good man should. Knew the face of a lady tells the truth of a man. It's in every soft touch, in the way that they stand. And though I'm not there to see what you do, I see his heart reflected in the light of you. So I raise up my hands and whisper your names with a father's love and a holy flame. So I hold up the bread in the quiet night, for calling my son though you're out of sight. Que el Señor te bendiga y te guarde, que su gracia esté contigo cada día de tu parte. Que el Señor haga resplandecer su rostro sobre ti, que te dé su paz, así siempre será aquí. I lift up the cup for my girl Isabella. Que el Señor te bendiga, mi dulce estrella. Que su luz brille sobre ti y te dé paz, y en sus corazones su amor siempre verás. Que el Señor haga resplandecer su rostro sobre ti, que te dé su paz, por siempre así será aquí. You shine and I see his heart in your face. Every smile you wear is a love I can't replace. Though I'm not beside you, his love makes it clear. In your eyes I see the man who keeps you near. And from afar I bless you both tonight. May the Lord guard your hearts and love's pure light. And one day you'll sit at our table and feast, for God has made you one where love won't cease. Blessings pour out like the stars in the sky. May you love forever as time passes by.